If I Were a Pioneer
Sawmill
by Bowen and
Elijah.
If I were a pioneer sawmill, I would be big.
If I were a pioneer sawmill, I would be made out of wood.
If I were a pioneer sawmill, I would have a saw to cut wood.
The wood would go through a tunnel with the saw.
The wood was used to make outhouses and smaller houses for the pioneers to survive the harsh and cold winters.
I would be found in a village.
In 1633, the first sawmill was built in Nova Scotia. The miller's family would help to make sure everything is going smoothly. Sometimes the millers kept half of the wood cut by the mill as payment. Before steam power was invented, sawmills could only operate when the river was not frozen. Trees could be cut down in the winter, but could not be cut into boards until spring.
Pioneer sawmill.
A sawmill is a type of factory where logs are sawed into planks or boards that could be used for building.